Welcome to our roundup of the best motherboard options for building a powerful, reliable, and future-ready PC. Whether you are planning a high-performance gaming setup, a content creation workstation, or a rock-solid everyday computer, choosing the right motherboard is the most important decision you will make. It is the foundation that determines your upgrade path, stability, performance potential, and overall experience. Today, we have selected some of the best-performing motherboards that strike the perfect balance between power, cooling, connectivity, and long-term reliability. We will break down what each one offers in terms of build quality, expansion, thermal performance, and real-world usability, so you can confidently pick the perfect base for your next build. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let us dive in and find the ideal motherboard for you. The first on the list is the ASUS ROG Strix B850-A, or simply the ROG Strix B850-A. This motherboard is designed for builders who want a clean, modern-looking system without giving up serious performance. Right away, three things stand out: strong power delivery, intelligent cooling layout, and high-speed connectivity support. The power design is made to keep your processor stable and consistent even under heavy workloads, whether you're gaming for hours, streaming, or working on demanding projects. The cooling system is well thought out, with large heat sinks placed exactly where they matter most, helping keep temperatures under control and protecting performance over long sessions. On top of that, the board supports fast storage and modern ports, making it a very flexible and future-ready platform. In everyday use, the B850-A feels extremely refined and well-balanced. System boot times are quick, stability is excellent, and everything just feels smooth and responsive. The memory support allows you to take full advantage of faster kits, which improves overall system snappiness in both gaming and productivity tasks. The slot layout is builder-friendly, meaning cable management and part installation are simple and frustration-free, even if this is not your first build. The reinforced graphics card slot adds peace of mind, especially if you are using a heavier, high-end graphics card. The BIOS is clean and easy to navigate, making tuning, updating, and monitoring your system a simple process rather than a confusing one. From a design perspective, the ROG Strix B850-A also looks fantastic. It fits perfectly into clean or white-themed builds and gives your PC a premium appearance without needing extra accessories. It may not be the most extreme motherboard in this lineup, but it is one of the most well-rounded. Overall, the ROG Strix B850-A is an excellent choice for users who want a stylish, reliable, and powerful motherboard that performs beautifully in both gaming and everyday workloads without unnecessary complexity. Next up is the MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, which we will call the Tomahawk X870. This board is built for users who care about durability, consistency, and raw stability more than flashy extras. Three features define it best: military-grade components, excellent thermal performance, and built-in high-speed wireless connectivity. The power delivery system is designed to stay rock-solid even when your processor is under constant heavy load. The cooling solution is equally impressive, with large, thick heatsinks that keep temperatures stable even during long gaming sessions or heavy work. Built-in Wi-Fi means you get fast and reliable internet without needing extra cards or adapters. What makes the Tomahawk X870 special is how confident and solid it feels in real-world use. Everything about it is designed to work reliably for years. The board does not try to impress with flashy lights or unnecessary features. Instead, it focuses on doing the important things extremely well. Storage support is generous, allowing you to build a fast system drive setup while still having room for large game libraries or project files. Memory performance is strong and stable, helping your system remain responsive no matter what you are doing. The layout is practical and well organized, which makes building and upgrading much easier. Connectors are placed where you expect them to be, and nothing feels cramped or poorly thought out. This is the kind of motherboard you install once and then forget about because it just works without problems. Overall, the MSI Tomahawk X870 is perfect for builders who want a tough, no-nonsense motherboard that prioritizes performance, cooling, and long-term reliability over looks or gimmicks. Next, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming B850 Plus, or simply the TUF B850 Plus. This motherboard is built for users who want long-term stability and durability above everything else. Three things immediately stand out: enhanced durability components, full coverage cooling design, and gaming-focused performance tuning. The TUF series is known for using high-quality components that are tested for long-term use, and this board continues that tradition. The cooling solution covers all critical areas, helping maintain consistent performance even during long gaming marathons. It also includes features that improve network stability and system responsiveness during gaming. In real-world usage, the TUF B850 Plus feels extremely dependable. It may not be the most visually exciting board, but it is one of the most trustworthy. The power delivery remains stable, memory compatibility is excellent, and storage expansion is flexible enough for most users. The reinforced slots help protect your components, especially when transporting or upgrading your system. The BIOS is simple and straightforward, which makes system setup and updates easy even for users who do not like to tweak settings often. Overall, the ASUS TUF B850 Plus is a fantastic choice for gamers and everyday users who want a strong, stable, and long-lasting motherboard that focuses on reliability and performance rather than unnecessary extras. Coming up next, we have the Gigabyte B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6, or simply the B550 Eagle. This motherboard is aimed at users who want the best possible value without giving up modern features. 3 highlights define it: built-in Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, well-balanced performance design, and excellent expansion support. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and stable wireless internet, which is perfect for setups where running cables is not practical. The power design is well-tuned for its class and offers reliable performance for a wide range of processors. The expansion options allow you to add more storage and components easily in the future. What really makes the B550 Eagle attractive is how practical and efficient it is. It covers all the essentials extremely well. You get fast storage support, stable memory performance, and a layout that is easy to work with, even for first-time builders. It may not have the heaviest cooling or the most premium materials, but in everyday use, it performs consistently and reliably. Games load quickly, applications run smoothly, and the system feels responsive and stable. Overall, the Gigabyte B550 Eagle is a smart choice for users who want modern connectivity, reliable performance, and great value in one simple and dependable package. The last one on our list is the ASUS ROG Strix X870E Gaming, or simply the ROG X870E-E. This is the most advanced and feature-packed motherboard in this entire lineup, built for enthusiasts who want absolutely no compromises. 3 features set it apart instantly: extreme power delivery system, next-level connectivity options, and advanced cooling and tuning technology. The power design is built to handle the most demanding processors and heavy workloads with ease. Connectivity is packed with the fastest options available, ensuring your storage, network, and peripherals all operate at maximum speed. The cooling solution is comprehensive and designed to keep every critical component running at safe temperatures, even under extreme stress. Using the X870E feels like working with a true flagship product. Overall, the ASUS ROG X870E Gaming is the ultimate choice for users who want the best possible performance, features, and build quality without making any compromises. So that is our complete roundup of the best motherboard options available right now. Whether you want a value-focused option, a rock-solid gaming platform, or a no-compromise flagship, there is something here for every type of builder. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, build smart and stay connected.